Welcome to the aesthetics video. There are a million ways to go about defining your particular aesthetic and how you want to present yourself on your own page. This mostly will be a guide on how to choose your aesthetic. I would highly recommend searching your platforms for competing pages. Look up YouTubers in the beauty category and analyze how they do everything. How do they interact with their fans?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya?
What titles do they use to draw attention while not being clickbaity? And who do they collaborate with on their channel? And most importantly, that they have real engagement. Engagement can mean different things, but basically you could think about it in terms of likes and comments. The more likes and comments that you have over the number of subscribers you have is generally a good way to gauge your engagement rate. Think about your digital portfolio or digital presence much like regular life. You have to develop yourself over time. Keep at it and the rewards can be enormous. To put into perspective how valuable this could be, all of these platforms have a way for you to earn money off of your posts once you're large enough. YouTube can pay you, and Instagram can help find brands that will pay you. If you achieve 90,000 followers, for example, this usually can command a price of $150 to $300 per sponsored post, and significantly more when you have more followers. Of course, growth takes time and strategy. You will not see instant success. Like many things, your commitment will measure your reward. The people who are consistent and who don't give up are the people who succeed. Your page, no matter the size, should be seen as a resource for your current and future clientele, so that they can use it when going into the salon. It can also showcase your individual personality and style. If your guest brought you a picture from your own Instagram, how much more achievable is that look because you've already done it before in the past instead of something from a magazine? Remember, you can use apps like Google Snapseed to edit your pictures. You can use it to morph your pictures, move people's faces, or put up filters that increase your aesthetic. Any of these tools are fantastic, and aesthetics is about personality, so have fun with it and show your unique way of doing things. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to move forward to the next video, lighting.